Hello and welcome back to Hedgehog Studios. I'm Jaconi and today we're going to be taking a look at a Lego set. But first, it is almost Christmas, so Merry Christmas everyone. The only thing I have bought for myself recently is, of course, Lego. It is the world's most perfect toy. I went into a Walmart to buy some Fix-A-Flat and they had their Black Friday kiosk right up front. So I was able to pick this up. The classic box, just to bulk up my collection a bit. 1,500 pieces for only $25. Really happy with that. As you can see, a lot of nice, interesting pieces in it. So I'm looking forward to that, but I'm not going to be opening and exploring that today. Today, we are going to be taking a look at set 60226. It is a set that was released in 2019 and has since been retired. It is the Mars Research Shuttle. Here you can see. Let's take a look at the box here real quick. The front, as you can see, has the model on it. It has a couple of rovers, a couple of drones, and of course the shuttle itself. It appears to come with a astronaut in a spacesuit and an astronaut pilot. So 2 minifigures with the set. Looks like it comes with stickers, so I'll be wanting to scan those in before we do the build. I always, ever since the Jurassic Park Velociraptor attack, when I try to scan the stickers so that I have a copy of them for later if I ever should need them. For my own personal use, of course, you know. Not trying to violate any copyrights there. That's just for me. Take a look at the back here. As you see, it's got more pictures of the model itself. You can see that the payload bay opens. It's also got a picture of one of the Mars rovers. I'm forgetting specifically the name. Maybe Discovery? Maybe I don't remember. But overall, very, very nice set. Looks like it clocks in at 273 pieces. And let's open her up and see what all comes in this, shall we? Got one bag, 2 bags. Huh. Got several instruction booklets here. 3 bags. That's right. Sticker sheet. See? I thought so. That's everything that's in the box. So put the box over here. Now, if you'll excuse me just a moment while I go scan in this sticker sheet. And we're back with Caramel. Hello, Mel. This is my wife's cat. She's a good kitty, too. You want to say hello to the viewers out there? He's like, no, I just want to block your view. Here, come on. Let's go over here. Here, look. Say hello. Hello. Now, let's just, yeah. Good kitty. All right. Let's see what we've got. We've got 3 bags here and 3 sets of instructions. Looks like for the peripherals is book 1. Book 2 is the bottom half of the Mars Shuttle, and book 3 is the top half of the Mars Shuttle. So, alright then. I guess then that brings us to the building portion of the video. All right, so that's the build. As you can see, it's a very nice little set. It's got a lot of features here. You have the geodes, which that's a really cool piece. I've never seen this piece in another set that I have as yet, anyway. So really nice, unique little piece there. You have your two minifigure astronauts. Very much like those. I like the styling on the helmet. Of course, as a kid, I had several of the, or a couple of the space sets, but you know, their equipment's got nothing on this guy, as far as their helmets anyway. Their ships were a little cooler, but hey, you know, I like how you can open up to see the inside of the engines. That's a pretty nice little playability feature. The rover with the claw arm. That's very nice. I like that. The little rubber band work there. Of course, he can spin, so that's pretty cool. Overall, it's a very nice little set. Quite pleased with it. So let's change camera angles and talk for another minute here. Okay, now, as I said, comes with a lot of neat little playable parts. Got some good swishability, I think is what they call it. The cockpit opens up. Set him in there. So, no trouble getting back on there. Okay. The geodes look really cool. I mean, I cannot get over that. That is just awesome. The little translucent bits inside that sparkle. I love that. The astronaut in the spacesuit, just, it looks great. I love the gold, the face shield to protect from the radiation, or at least that's what I've been told it does. I mean, I could be wrong. You have the little flying drone. The little flying drone is neat. The rover, I love the rover. Although I will admit, when I was building it and it had me put the little lightsaber bit on there, I for a minute there thought it was going to have me build the red blinky tubes from every sci-fi movie ever, shown here from Wrath of Khan. But no, they just had it on there for, I don't know what its purpose would be. It's got, I like how it turns, and it's got the solar panel. That's very nice. The shuttle itself looks great. I really do like it. I'm going to have to probably keep this built until I can do a review of my other space shuttle set, just so I can compare and contrast. And that's about all I have. Like I said, I think this is a great set. It is retired, but it's only been retired for a little while, so you should be able to find it fairly economically, I think. So overall, I would say I would give this set probably 5 out of 5 for what it is. It's a small, fun set, not a ton of pieces, but overall a nice, quick, relaxing build to do. Certainly has playability for that aspect of it, and like I said, the shuttle looks great. It really does. I mean, you know, I really couldn't ask for a better shuttle for such a modest set, I suppose. So that's all I've got. Like I said earlier, I believe, please subscribe and whatnot, help our channel grow. Check out my other videos. And if you need a bedtime story, I've got The Wizard of Oz as an audiobook on my channel. I do voices in it, so you might want to check that out. I'll link it, I guess, at the end of the video. Beyond that, that's really all I've got. So you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.